Grace. This is my cousin, Lyra, and we're going to sing Payphone by Maroon 5. Hope you like it. Here goes.